Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your PUBG Mobile. For that, let's just go and open our app, and I'm already logged in, so I'll just need to log out from this app to sign up. So let's just wait till it loads everything. And to log out, simply tap on this arrow button, tap on this setting button, scroll down, you will see a logout in this area. Simply tap on that and press OK. You will be logged out, and this is login page of PUBG Mobile. And to sign up, you can choose these platforms, or you can simply use your phone or email to sign up. Simply tap on continue button, and there you'll get to choose your account if you have got multiple accounts like mine, and tap on continue button, and that is how you can log in, and that is how you can sign up into your PUBG Mobile. Simply you can go and start playing by tapping on this train or your battle. You'll be taken to actual game if you tap on battle. But if you are newbie or new in this game, simply tap on this train and it will give you a guide how to play, and it will give you a guide on how to play this game. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for